What's happening, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. I hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and healthy. In this video we're going to talk about the camera features of this little device right here, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. And we're going to check out the 4K 30 frames per second, we're going to check out 1080p, all that stuff. We're also going to check out some extra features, all the camera features and stuff like that, to see if this camera is actually any good coming off this phone, right? So I think many people will be interested in the camera capabilities of this Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro, and so far I'm liking it. But make sure to subscribe to the channel to see the full review of this phone in a couple of days, maybe even within a week or so, I think. But anyways, enjoy the little footage and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Stay safe and stay healthy as always. Good luck. Alright guys, this is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro in 4K 30 frames per second. I'm gonna make some lunch and see how it all looks, and if you can use this for any making some cool videos, some nice videos and stuff. So let's begin. We're gonna make some nice lunch. We're gonna make some instant noodles, Indomie, mee goreng with some egg. First thing that we're going to do is spray this one here. Right. Right. Some eggs. A little bit of this. Some garlic powder, paprika, a little bit of black pepper, and just a little bit of MSG. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. What do you think so far? How does it look? Does it look any good? On the screen itself, it looks pretty good, actually. It looks pretty good. All of those nice flavors. Oh man, the fragrance is just brings back so many memories when I was just a young boy eating this. Some of that, here it is. Boom. Going to eat the lunch and let's see how it tastes. Right? It sure smells really good, guys. I think there is some kind of stabilization with the front-facing camera. I think. I'm not sure. Doesn't really look like it. It looks a little bit stabilized, but not really. So in the 4K 30 frames per second there is no stabilization, so it might be quite shaky. I'm going to switch to 1080p in a second to see what the difference is. Alright, and now 1080p 30 frames per second. How does it look? Does it look better? Does it look more stabilized, or isn't that good at all? Let me know. What do you think?
Hasta değil, hiçbir şey değil.
Nou, multifly. Ziet er een beetje gek uit zo. Zo mini tussen al die grote. Zeker wel. Oké, waar zullen we naartoe gaan? Walking in Rotterdam. Walking in Rotterdam. Dat is prima.